What's up, Allstate? We're on a repair attempt. I mean, as you see, the condition of the roof, I mean, it's kind of naked. It's kind of a no-brainer for repairability, but I mean, yeah, we'll show. I guess we'll show it's not repairable. A lot of missing tabs. Things pay for like 55 shingles on a square or two somewhere. Like, it's fast. I mean, it's all right. So to start with, it's very hot, so I'm gonna try to do this quickly, but in the motion that I fall in the guideline of a completed solid technique for a repair test, right? But it's really hot. So, like being said, shingles are hot too. So to undo this one right here, as you see, it's creased. Crease right there, whatever. I've got to unseal this row and this row. So, yeah. We'll barely lift this shingle up. Nail pull through already. I do gotta lift the shingle up to see it right. It's on kind of a steeper slope. See on this angle like this. That shit unseal it a bit. That real tight. I mean, as you see, it's already delaminating. Look, see that? I mean, yeah. I'll make sure in a second. Look at that. Of the matting. It's mat transfer. See that tear right there? I want to show that, man. If you can zoom in, you see it lifted up. The tear right there. You see that one?
Right here.
I mean, it's just
another one.
It's ridiculous, dude. You saw that? I mean, what a mercy. Gotta get it unsealed. There's probably magnets for like crazy. All right, let's keep going. Jordan, so far, 3 nails. I don't think I've lifted this shingle too high up, have I?
No. Just enough to see the nail and get it out.
Just to see the nail and get it out. It's probably this. There's some mat transfer right there. I see it.
That's it.
Oh, look at this. See that? Really just crumbling. Don't even have a name for what she was. God, it's hot. Can't touch it. Who cares, man? It's clearly not repairable. Aggravates me. When I hammer this, I want you to watch as the grains come off of the shingle. And how just, oh, this is common sense. I mean, it has no grains on it. You hear that?
I hear him.
Listen. It's ridiculous.
Pouring off.
Yeah. Yo. I'll stay, come on. Stop playing games. I'm playing a bad game. Thank God I only got one of these today. It's too hot.
Granules are falling off like crazy. Granules are falling off like crazy.
That's terrible, dude.
Just from a little hammer.
It's about repair, dude. Who's gonna go up here and repair a square worth and then 55 shingles on a roof like this? I mean, this is ridiculous. We're so good at something. Oh, I bet now. Yes, it's wild for sure. Definitely wild. I haven't lifted the shingle too high. I did have to kind of lift it up to get the shingle in there, but I mean, that's. On a roof like this, you're gonna be 55 single pair. You're gonna be lifting them up more than that. One time, I just solid. All right, keep it rolling. Look at this. Look at this. Put it on this valley. Look at that. You see that? Look at that, y'all. Look at that. The whole valley full of shingles. Shingle grains from just hammering. You still rolling? Yeah. Will you flip that shingle over real quick? Yeah, this one. Sweet, look at that. Perfect. Yeah, it's on there. All right, Austin. Why even look at the rest of it? Look at this. Mat transfer. Mat transfer. Look at the size of the nail holes.
Elimination.
We're coming through, right? Mat transfer, mat transfer. Look at the size of the nail holes. Pull throughs, right? All right, hold on. Let me cook. All right, so let's start right here. See this? Throw it up. Look at that. See that? Look at that. There's a crease right there. That's from my roof snake. I think it's actually hammer and put a hole through it. Almost. You see it right there. Indented. Look, kind of broke that one apart. Let's see. Let's keep going. Crease right there. Right here. Oh, a big crease. There was a tear. Somewhere right here. Right there. You see it? Hold on. You see it? Right here, there's a tear. Hold on. You see it right there? This one's the thing. Where's that other one? Where's the main? That really big tear at? Okay, it's the next one. Okay, my bad. All right, anyways, so boom, boom, boom. Nailed, and you start right here. Like some creasing going on right there, right? Failed. Yeah. Where's that first tear? There's the first tear right there on this side. Boom. Next tear was the big one. I'm trying to unseal it right. There's my shingle. I'm trying to get it so it ain't so tight. If I'd have left this sealed and left it right here and just sealed it lined up with the shingle, it'd have been difficult to get it out and lifted it too high. It would have bent it, right? Trying to unseal it. You see it. Oh. Lord have mercy. And then I want to point out some mat transfer. Look at that. I want to get pictures of this. Look at that mat transfer.